Good morning, YouTube. Hi, guys. This is Bill here. Bill's Wait. I'm just waking up in a sub-condo. About to head to work this morning and deal with an asshole boss. It sounds like a beautiful thing. So this is my truck here, my mess of a truck. And I just wanted to do a quick video real quick and let you guys know how the beginning of my life starts today, how a day starts out for me. And I'm about to pedal my bicycle to work because I'm saving gas for the truck right now. So I'm gonna get ready here shortly, and I will keep you guys posted and updated. Thanks, guys. Later.